depending on how you want the newsletter to look. So, but we're going to have a unique look whereby like we are known for that look. So the first arrangement will be the arrangement that we'll be using at least for this year. So you can divide that now. I want to divide the text from the text. Let me divide these two texts now. Come in between the text and click on more. And I'll use divider. So this divider now will divide the top text from the below text. If I want to divide this blog post button from from the share button, come in. So let me use divider. So you can see here there's a divider in between them now. So I can use divider to divide them. So there are other things you can do. You can also add a poll where people get to, maybe you want them to pick the next thing you want to talk about, or any other poll that you want to, like, probably a question just to engage the audience. So that's just it. And then there are footnotes. If you want to add a footnote, so you can add footnotes and other things. You can just explore, but make sure you keep it simple. So when you are done with this now and you want people to review what you've done, so you just click on preview. So you preview what you've done. So the preview button at the top. Please confirm you can hear me now. Hello?
Yes, I can hear you now. I can't hear the other time, but it's fine now.
So where did I stop?
We were talking about preview.
Okay, so once you click on the preview button, it will bring you here. So you get to see how it will look like on mobile and also on website. So this is how it will look like on mobile. Jesus is coming sooner after the image and all. Then on website, you can click on website, it will show you, and you can change it to desktop. You click on this mobile button to show you desktop, how it will look like on laptop when people are reading it on laptop. So you check your work and read for corrections also. So you get to read for correction, grammatical error before you send out. So you can also check for websites and for email, how it will look like in email, because website is different from email. So some things might show on website, some things might not show on email. Some things might show on email and not show on website. Like probably most times the footnotes. So that's just it. So currently we only have 3 subscribers. So this is all. So once you are done reading, you can text. So if you click on text here at the top, you can copy this draft link and send it to me to review. Or you send me a mail to samfemi.com. I say samfemi.com, samfemi.so@gmail.com. So I can preview what you've done. You can also send it to yourself, your email, your personal email, so you see how it will look like. You can read through again. So you send a test mail. This test mail is going to go to only you or the person you are sending it to, so you can see the work that you've done, and then you can read through and also proofread. Other people can also proofread your work before you publish. So when we are done with all the publish, there's also a draft link. With this link, people can see the draft before it goes out. So once you are done with everything, proofreading and everything, you can click on done. So once you are click on done, it will bring you back here. So from here, you click on continue. Now we are ready to publish. So this post is for everyone, and also everyone can comment. So the tag now would be Depending on what you want to put as a tag, you put ECN. Once you type it, you click on enter. Evangel Careers Network. Then you click on ECN Global. You click enter. Then probably Maranatha. So majorly is how you get to tag the content. Like what should the content be used like to get to pick up the content. So now this is how it will look like on your feed. Jesus is coming soon, and then the subtopic. So now this is the place where you get to schedule your email. This at the last point here. So you can choose the day and the time that this mail will go out. So your work, you can even do it way ahead. You can do like the whole two contents ahead. So the first and the second one you've written, you can do both of them ahead. This, let's say the first one is going out on Friday. You come here, pick the date. So you click on the calendar icon here. So you pick the dates, then you come here and pick the time, 5:20 a.m., p.m. You pick the time and the date. So for us now, the content should go out, let's say 10 a.m., 10 a.m. on maybe every Friday or every Saturday weekend. Let's use Saturday. So once you are done, you click outside. So you confirm that the date is reflecting here. It has changed to January 25th, 10 a.m. So and it's showing here that sent to everyone in 7 days. So 7 days from now is 25th. So if you click on send to everyone in 7 days, it will go. It will get scheduled. So let me click on it. Send to everyone in 7 days. So since I'm not sending now out, then to tell you that it has been scheduled. So you can see now our post is scheduled. So if you want to see all your posts, like you can go to home page, you see all your posts. And then if you want to see the posts that are on either draft or scheduled or published, click on post at the top here. Click on post. Then you see publish. All your published posts will show here. All the drafts that you're yet to publish will show here. All the scheduled one will show. Look at the one we just scheduled now. Scheduled for January 25th this year. So I will cancel this since I don't want it to go out. Well, let me just delete it. So I've deleted it. So this is how it will look like. So please, I think that covers about how to post on Substack majorly. So if you have any questions, please let me know now.